frozen foods on Weight Watchers. Now I know frozen foods are not always the best choice. The best choice is fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. I get it, but it's always nice to have frozen foods in our freezer for times that we need something in a hurry, or I mean like ice cream, because it's just so good. Shredded potatoes. I like to have these on hand, and at Walmart you can buy a very large bag of shredded potatoes. For a half a cup, it is only 2 points. I like to make mine in the air fryer. I spray it with some olive oil cooking spray, pop it in the air fryer. They crisp up perfectly, and I can do so many different things. I can have them for a side dish with our dinners, or I like to make a breakfast bowl out of them, and they are always the bottom layer on a breakfast bowl. You can also add peppers and onions to them to just bump up the flavor. I mean, seriously, just get imaginative with these, because they start out as just the base of a shredded potato and you can build with them from there. I really like Smart Ones frozen meals, and I could find those quite easily years ago, but recently I've noticed I can barely find any Smart Ones. Have you noticed that they're very difficult to find? But Lean Cuisine is where it's at, because I have found some really good Lean Cuisine meals that are low in point for Weight Watchers. Also, Healthy Choice has got some amazing steamer bowls. You just pop them in the microwave, dump the top portion of the vegetables right into the bottom portion of the sauce and the chicken or whatever kind of meat that you choose. Mix it up, and it's a delicious little light lunch that is perfect to carry me throughout the afternoon. Healthy Choice also has a meal that's called Power Bowls. These are full of protein. I'm not quite sure about the points, but this is a possibility. I have talked about these many times on my channel. They are I believe it's called Bibigo is what the brand is. They are a mini chicken wonton. They do have pork. Pork is higher in points, so be aware. I find mine at Walmart. Sometimes they're difficult to find. I can get 12 of these for only 5 points. I put these in my air fryer. Again, spray it with some olive oil cooking spray. Sometimes I just eat these all by themselves, and sometimes I like to make up a fried rice. Half a cup of rice is 3 points. I throw in some peas and carrots, 0 points, and a scrambled egg, 0 points. I was stuck on Yasso bars for a very long time. But then when I was sharing those here on this channel, a few of you had told me about the Healthy Choice fudge bars from Sam's Club. Oh my goodness, those are lower in point than the Yasso bars. They are fantastic. If you have a chocolate craving, a sugar craving, you have to get these. They're addicting, so be aware. But I think they're only like 2 points for an ice cream bar. Yeah, you go out and buy them and you're gonna thank me. But Yasso bars are super good too. I believe those are about 5 points. It depends on what flavor you get. They have quite a few different varieties, and they are yogurt based, which is really good for you. I really enjoy the Jimmy Dean turkey sausage. These ones are in patties. You can also get them in links. The patties, for 2 of them, are 4 points. I usually will do 1, and I will put it into an egg sandwich. Sometimes I just chop them up, put them into scrambled eggs. There's quite a few different things you can do with this. You can also build a breakfast bowl with them. They are good. They're full of flavor, and you really you don't notice that they're turkey. Also, I really like turkey bacon. I usually will get mine at Walmart. If I remember, I can get them at Sam's Club, and they come in a pack of 3 at Sam's Club. But for turkey bacon, it is 1 point per slice. I've discovered that Eggo has a frozen waffle, and they are pretty low in point. They are the home style waffles. I checked the other ones, they were higher, and Homestyle was the lowest as far as the Eggo waffles. But they also have a waffle that is a Nutri-Grain, if you can find it. I haven't seen it, but these are low in point as well. But these are pretty good. I can get 2 of these for 7 points. They are the Kodiak Power Waffles. They have protein in them. These keep me fuller longer because there is protein, and sometimes I just don't even need lunch after I eat these. I have rediscovered the Bob Evans mashed potatoes. These are not frozen, these are refrigerator, but they are so good, so easy to prepare that I had to share them with you. They are only 4 to 5 points per serving. You can either cook them on the stove or put them in the microwave, which is what I do. Cook them for a little bit, stir them up, cook them for a little bit longer, and you have some delicious, they taste like homemade whipped style mashed potato. Rice cauliflower is always something to go to. I have seen people take some rice cauliflower, mix it in with actual rice. It bulks up your rice but does not give you the points. Or you can just eat it as rice and just omit rice altogether and just have rice cauliflower. There are many recipes out there using the rice cauliflower. Just do some digging and add this right into your Weight Watcher recipes. I usually keep frozen fruit on hand. I do not have any at this point. But this is so good to have for smoothies, and I also like to add them to pancakes. I love blueberry pancakes. Or in the summer, we just really like a small bowl of frozen fruit. It satisfies my craving for ice cream, and it's 0 points. Frozen vegetables. These are 0 points. This is a mixed vegetable and it has a little corn in there, some peas and carrots and green beans. This is really good for vegetable soup or just a side dish. And then I have peas. Frozen peas are just good. They pop in your mouth and they're just good. I usually have a bag of frozen peas and carrots mixture. That's what I use in my fried rice. I don't have any. I thought that I did, so I need to put that on my grocery list. Tyson has a blackened chicken breast that is really good. It is spicy, so just be aware of that. But it's delicious. You can add it to salads, wraps, whatever you want. I usually will find these at Target. I have never found them at Walmart, but Target, I've always found them there. Green Giant has a cauliflower rice veggie medley mix. Wow. There are many possibilities you could do with this. Jimmy Dean has a turkey sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. I mean, if you're in a hurry in the morning and you're hungry, you could easily grab this out of your freezer, pop it in the microwave, and you're on the road in no time. I love egg rolls. We used to eat pork egg rolls. Well, Jason still does. But I've discovered chicken egg rolls are less in points for Weight Watchers, and for one of these, it is 5 points. These ones I get at H-E-B. You can find chicken egg rolls at Walmart too. I like to pop these in my air fryer. It makes them crispy and they are cooked up in no time. Cool Whip you can find in the freezer section, and there is a light Cool Whip, and you can make desserts. You can add PB2 into the Cool Whip. You can freeze it and it'd be like a little peanut butter ice cream bar. You can take some Cool Whip and put it in between graham crackers, which makes it like an ice cream sandwich. There are lots of things you can do with Cool Whip, so yeah, this is nice to have on hand. These are just stinking good. I find these at Target. They are a chocolate muffin with chocolate chips. You put it in the microwave, it makes the chips melty and yummy. I like to top mine with some no sugar whipped cream. My goodness, if you like chocolate, you have got to try these. They are really good. And for one of these, it is 5 points. The freezer section is really good for fish. You can buy bags of fish, you can buy fish dinners. Remember to watch that they're not breaded. If you get them breaded, they're higher in points. We like cod, that's my favorite. Tilapia is another good one. I know there's a lot of people that absolutely love salmon. I am not that person. But fish is very low point and it is a good dinner or lunch. I like to have Stouffer's lasagna in my freezer. It is a delicious meal that I can pair it with salad, add a little fat-free Italian dressing, and you got a pretty good low point meal. This one is new to me. I discovered this on the Walmart app. It is a Tyson Simply Roasted Chicken. I have not seen these, but you could definitely be on the lookout, like I am, for these because they look so good. These are a staple in my home when I can find them. These are Butterball turkey burgers. My goodness, these are so good, and I like to grill these. They're my favorite on the grill. For one patty, they're 6 points. I have tried the sweet onion ones, and I'm not as crazy about those as I am just the original. The original, of course, are the ones that are hard to find, and I can easily find the sweet onion ones. But the sweet onion ones, for whatever reason, they're actually higher in point, which I was surprised at. I like to eat mine on lettuce. I have Velveeta cheese, which for one slice of Velveeta cheese, it is 1 point. And then I have a little bit of mustard, which is 0 points. I don't have anything on the side with this because it is filling and it's full of protein, lean protein, which is the best. And I thoroughly enjoy these for lunches. I hope this has helped you to get some fresh ideas of foods to add to your freezer. Are you looking for more videos of Weight Watcher food ideas? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.